You've ruined it.
So in this video, we're going to be talking about how to sign up to and cancel HelloFresh.
Their sign-up process was a bit confusing as it seemed as though it automatically selected your recipes rather than you being able to choose them yourself. However, once you get through to the recipe section, you can opt out to swap the ones that they've chosen for you and for ones that you prefer. It's also slightly annoying that you have to put in your address and payment details before picking the recipes. I feel like that would definitely put people off.
Yeah.
Like, if someone asked for my card details straight away before I've even like decided whether I want to buy the product, I'll be like, oh, actually no. How was it? Was it easy to cancel?
Not really. They're quite.
They
hide.
tried to keep you in.
Yeah, they deal you in hook, line and sinker. So you can pause it. You can pause your subscription if you like. So if you're going on holiday, you can skip a week, but which they make quite easy.
Yeah,
but to actually cancel. Yeah. So to cancel HelloFresh, they literally do not want you to cancel. You have to go onto their website, and then there's a link that you can go to where it says cancel HelloFresh, but it doesn't let you cancel it there. They tell you to get in contact with them, but they don't tell you a number or an email. They just send you to their frequently asked questions page. And then on the frequently asked questions page, you can type in cancel, and then eventually you can cancel. And then they'll ask you loads of questions, and then eventually let you cancel.
Yeah. To help you out, we're going to put the number here.